Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS transitions. So let's see what is it. So first let me write the HTML format, and inside the title I will mention the CSS transition as a title. Okay. So after writing the CSS transition, I have inside the body tag I have to see what is CSS transition exactly is. Okay. So CSS transitions allow you to change property values smoothly and over a given duration. Okay, so it will help you to make the animation. It is one of the animation purpose, because it will help you the duration of time, and within this duration of time you have to change the properties very smoothly. Okay, so let me add the div here. I will provide the ID for this particular div, and now I will write one paragraph here. So hello, welcome to IndianCoding.com, and today we are learning about CSS transitions. Okay, so I have provided one text here. So now I need to create a transition for this. So now this is working properly on the web. Now I will style this particular text. So first let me write the style tag, and after that I will just mention what all the elements I need to change. So first let me write the ID name, that is the div1, and inside that I will add the basic things that is required. First is the width. I will add the width of this particular element, that is 100 pixel. I will just write it 100 pixel here, and then I will just mention the height also of 100 pixel, or you can give whatever you want to. For now I will just mention the 200 pixel over there. Okay, then I will just write the background color. You can choose whatever color you want to. Right now I'm choosing as yellow. So let me see if this particular things are working. Yeah, this is working properly. And yes, you can see the some of the spots are outside of that particular border, so it will all be corrected, no issues with that. And then transition, I will give width and for how many seconds you want or milliseconds you want. For example, I'm just writing for the 3 seconds. Fine. So I have added one here. The transition effect will start when the specified CSS property, that is width, change value. So I have to add the hover effect. So now let us specify the new value for the width property when you use the mouse over there. So inside the hover effect, I am just writing the width will change 200 to 100 to 300 pixels. So when you move the cursor to that text, it will change the width. Okay. So once I'll reload this, now on screen you can see that it is not working that much properly. Why is it not working? We have to see what is the error over that. That is I have mentioned. So I have to check that error. Then you will be able to see maybe some refresh is sure I haven't saved it now. That's why it is not. Yeah, now on screen you can see that it is working properly. So that is how you can provide the transition. So now on screen you can see that it is one of the very interesting form how to create it. So it will make your website even more attractive and enhance the features what you have given. So these are the few kinds of element you can provide it. This is one of the example I have used here. You can give the several properties with the help of using the transition. So this is one of the one of the thing I have used. Now I will just change the div value here and to there. Okay. I will just change the few methods. I will just first change the color green. Okay. The color, I will change it to the light green. Fine. So let's make the hover effect. What is going to happen in the hover effect? The transition things I will change. So I will just make it to the height. The height will also change for inside in the 4 seconds. Okay, fine. How much height should be changed? The height I have already mentioned, the 200 pixel, and if you'll move uh, the cursor, it will change to 300. Fine. So let me reload this. Now this is available. Okay, I haven't break the paragraph. It's okay. Let's see. Now on screen you can see that once I am moving that, the values are getting changed. It is so instant. Once you just move it and everything is happening. So for that I have to just give you, like I have already provided 300. Okay, fine. Let's see. There was one error, and 3 seconds are okay, and heights are for 4 seconds. So within 4 seconds it will work like that. Okay. So these are the few things I have corrected. Yeah, and just I will just write the transition for width is 2 seconds. Fine. So reload it and just check it out. It's still working in the same way. Yeah. So that is how you can create. There are a few kinds of features that is available. Once you change the height, in case of height, it's taking the instantly. So whatever the time you will provide, it will work on that time only. So that is how you can create it. And then you can make so many changes with the speeds curve of the transition. Okay. So it will help you, it will give you the ease, how a few kinds of values that are available. It will give you the ease, linear, and these kind of properties are available. So we want linear for 1 second. Okay, so in that case I will just break it because they are we should be able to see these are the different uh, paragraphs that is available. So I have changed the value here, and then I will just break it now. Okay, so see, linear, only linear way it is showing. It is just showing us the height changes. So that is how you can create it in the linear way. It is created. Fine. So these are the two different forms I have created here. I hope you will be you are able to understand how am I doing this. So you can also try at your particular computer. Now on screen it is happening very easily. So you can give these kind of property: ease, linear, ease in, ease out, ease in, out, cubic, and all these kind of properties. So it will help you to understand how to do that. Fine. So hover effect will help you to change what kind of changes you want once you'll move the cursor over it. Fine. So these are the few kinds of properties that I have provided. You can work on it and you will be able to change it. You just write ease here. So let's see what kind of changes we'll get. I'll just change the timing. So now the duration is changed. So see. So is it not working? Let me check it. I'll just add it to 1 second and then reload it. Save it first and then reload. Yeah, so now it is working properly. So that is how you can create it. It is very easy. So ease means like it will, the effect will slow start then fast. That is what the ease means. Fine. So this is the default you can use. This is the default value. If you're not giving any value, still it will work like that only. So that is what default value called. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.